Welcome YouTube, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by to hang out with us on this channel, we talk all things finance and all things investing, and we love to mix in a little travel along with that as well. I'm High Def Jones, and if you could please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, it would be greatly appreciated. If you've been watching my previous payout videos, you know that I am here in Da Nang, Vietnam. And I've been here for about 2 months. But enough of that. Let's jump into this Topstep Payout video. This payout is for $11,418 across 5 funded accounts. Let's get into this one. Let's get into this one. Let's jump in. So here we go. Now we have our Topstep dashboard here. And if we look down here, our profit streak, we're at 25 days. 25 days on our profit streak. You can see our account balance here. Now we do have 5 copy traded funded accounts. Okay. If we jump down here, we can see our win rate percent, and we are currently at 79%. They would like us to maintain a goal of at least 60%. All right, now let's hop over to our payouts page. All right, and you can see this is our previous payout that went through on December 2nd. Today is December 5th. And let's slide down here, and you guys, here are the eligible amounts for each of these 5 accounts. Now, what you're going to see is these numbers, they're going to go down a bit, and I'll explain why later. If you've seen the previous payout videos, you know why these numbers are going to go down a bit. All right, so we have our first one for 25.45, 25.45, 26.15, 25.45, and 25.45 again. So we're going to go ahead and start our first payout request. So let's click there. We always go to the ACH wire. We'll go here. Okay, and at this time, I'll be entering in my bank account details. Okay, everybody, we're back, and let's take a look. So all 5 of those payout requests have been submitted, and you can see the status. They are pending. All right, all 5 accounts. And how I mentioned earlier, so the requested amount is this column here, and those were the amounts you saw earlier. But here is the actual payout amount, this column. So you can see those numbers went down a bit because we have that $20 ACH transfer fee on each account, and then we have a profit split with Topstep on each account. So let's look here. You see $20 for the ACH and fees, and then the profit split on this account is $254 with Topstep, and that's the same for this account, and this account. But this middle account, the one that is a bit higher than the others, the same $20 ACH fee, but the profit split is just a little bit more at $261. Okay, so that's what brought the numbers down a bit, but that gives us our grand total of $11,418 for our payout. Let's scroll on up to the page, to the top of the page, and here is where we are in the process. Everything has been submitted, funds have been removed from Topstep, and funding has been approved. All right, so you can see the amounts highlighted here on each account. And if you saw the previous videos, you know that Topstep, they do pay pretty quick. So now with today being Friday, approximately Monday afternoon is when the funds will appear in my personal checking account. So Monday afternoon, late afternoon, is when those funds should be there. But that's it, you guys. Just wanted to go over this payout process, and of course in the next clip here I'll show you that the funds did go through and everything is legit, smooth, and cool. All right, everybody, so catch you soon. Hello everybody, and we are back. The payout went through. $11,418 is now in my account. Let's take a look at the Topstep dashboard. Here we go. So you can see right here everything under this column: status, all 5 accounts you have finalized. All right, here are the amounts. Okay, and we'll go ahead and scroll up, and this is the process complete. Submitted, funds removed, funding approved, risk approved, compliance approved, finance processing, and the funds sent. So you can see December 5th is when we made that submission, and December 9th is when those funds actually hit my account. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. Let's pop over to my online banking, because you know I always want to show you guys that this isn't a bunch of BS. So let's hop over to my personal online banking, and you see those 5 deposits right here, totaling $11,418. All right, so we have those funds, and you guys, so this is with Topstep. Apex, they're running a sale right now. So I actually went and forked over some money to purchase some Apex accounts. If you don't know, you can get up to 20 accounts with Apex. All right, so I just went ahead and got 20 of those accounts. So we're gonna start trading those and getting that process started over there at Apex. But that's really it for the video, everybody. Just wanted to show you that the funds did go through, and you know, we'll still do some Topstep things, but 20 accounts with Apex, hey, just imagine these numbers times 20, you know. So yeah, so that's it, you guys. Happy trading. Let's finish the year off strong. All right, hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you on the next video.